Alrighty folks, here we are with another video in the 2002 Mustang, and in this video it'll be a fun one because we're going to be doing an aftermarket exhaust. Now I did find this exhaust already messed around with at a junkyard, and what we're going to do is we're going to grind down the old welding spots and we're going to weld some new spots on there because there are some holes. And then what we're going to try and do in this video as well is I got some new shocks for the rear end. As you can see right now, the rear end needs rear shocks, like really bad. It bounces up and down, so we're gonna get that taken care of. I got Jake here in the background and he'll be helping me with most of it. Right here it says welding station, and so yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. So Jake went ahead and welded up some of the spots that needed to be done. And we're gonna go ahead and take off both wheels on the rear. And we're gonna get rid of these shocks here. And hopefully when we're doing that, we can go ahead and put that exhaust in. Alright folks, out with the old. That thing is massive too. Oh man.
Just set it next to the stock one.
Oh. There's that one. And then here's the one that we're putting on. This will look, I think it's gonna sound so much better, y'all. So we'll hit you back up when we get it. So we removed one side of the shocks, and this right here, I should not be able to do this. This is not good at all. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna put the SR Performance shocks from American Muscle, and we're going to marry it to the 2002 Mustang. Okay, so this is gonna be the first startup. We're not gonna be able to drive it right this second because we don't have the suspension in, but this is the first startup of the junkyard find exhaust. Oh my God!
Wait for it to warm up a little bit, and then you can rev it. Go for it.
Alrighty folks, we're here in the next morning, and I do have Jake here in the back. He's helping me out. So what happened last night was we were trying to tighten down the bolts for the shocks, and it snapped in two. So we ran to a local hardware store and we got a couple of these, and they should work, fingers crossed. But yeah, I'll let you guys see the suspension here in a second. So we got the suspension in, and we're just gonna take it for a little test drive, see if we hear any weird sounds or not. And we got the wheels on, so let's go ahead and go for a little test drive. First drive is a success. Thank you so much to Jake Riley for helping me out with all this work. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and to make sure to watch all my other videos.